Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. You are welcome to the words of continuity and the endless benefit of being human. This is Volume 8. The creator of the wind, water and sand didn't create you to spend all your time worshipping him. No, he created you for you to beautify the earth for the continuity of the earth. Worshipping the creator always and expecting him to give all you are seeking via prayer and worshipping, whereby he has created everything for you to have a comfortable life before he presents you to the wind, water and sand to be your guardian. Spending long hours praying and worshipping in the name of seeking the presence of the creator of the wind, water and sand who sustains all humans. In this regard, you are wasting the time that you are supposed to use and searching for something from the wind, water and sand which you can create to support human life instead of spending hours in prayer and worship. The Creator is not pleased with your prayers and worship, but He is pleased by the creativity of the human brain that brings the vision of the earth, which keeps the continuity of the earth. Prayer and worshipping for hours doesn't keep the continuity of the earth, but it brings weakness, which affects the brain's creativity. The brain's creativity brings the beauty of the earth, which approves the value of the brain and the five fingers. The brain and five fingers represent the power of the creation in humans, which form the connection to the beauty of the earth. Humans' brains and five fingers are the key to opening the door to the continuity of the endless world. Religion's prayer and worship is not the way and key to open the door of the continuity of the earth, but it kills and weakens the brain and five fingers of creativity that leads to the way and key to open the door of continuity of earth. As the owner of the wind, water and sand, made it from the beginning of his creation to establish the earth as his own heritage. The creator of the wind, water and sand made human brains and five fingers to dig deep inside the soil and water to bring out the materials to beautify the earth by creating and manufacturing products to support human life. To have a happy life and a conducive environment to multiply humans that will continue with the creativity of brains and five fingers to keep the world going with the discovery of things to make life easier, to reduce human labor, and to enjoy witnessing the beauty of the earth and to have a vision of the earth. What gives glory to the owner of the wind, water and sand is the brain and the five fingers creativity, which helps humans live, which he brought to witness his creation and to keep his creation going. Hours of prayer and worship from religion don't give the creator of the wind, water and sand glory. But what gives him joy is the creativity of the brain and five fingers that bring the beauty of his world, which he spent his time building. If you want the owner of the wind, water and sand to notice your presence here on the earth, allow your brain and five fingers to go into creativity that will bring the beauty of the earth and reduce human labor. If you can't reactivate your brain and five fingers to go into creative mode because of the environment you find yourself in, try working on yourself to learn how to respect your fellow human beings. And if you want the creator of the wind, water and sand to notice your appearance, do not go against your fellow human beings. Do not destroy people's lives with words, and do not distribute fake products that destroy human organs. When you decide to serve the public in any position of power, do the needful to better people's lives. Build what you collected money to build. Do not steal public funds to cause hardship, and do not overwork that leads to an early grave. Do not misuse the spirit against your fellow human beings. Allow your fellow human beings to enjoy their labor, not cut them off from enjoying their labor. What makes the creator of the wind, water and sand happy is to respect yourself, to respect your fellow human beings, to establish peace and harmony, and to govern the universe, so that he can see the prosperity of his earth from human behavior, and that will make him open another door for humans to enjoy more of his creation. Approaching the creator of all humans through the wind, water and sand, which he uses to sustain all the living things, will make you respect yourself in the presence of your fellow human beings. And it will help you to avoid going against your fellow human beings, and doing so will lead you to rest in peace after death. The road to the next stage of human glorious lives was made available by the owner of wind, water and sand, who monitors all the activities on this very earth without a single mistake, for judgment after life. To show the result of every involvement of each step and the actions of human presence on the earth. Have it in mind that what the creator of all humans placed in the position to monitor humans, activate on earth without a single mistake, are the wind, water and sand that sustain your life and follow you everywhere you go. And they are in a position to table your details correctly after death for the judgment. With the presence of the wind, water and sand, no human can deny their activity on the earth, and no human can present their evil action as error after death, before the presence of the wind, water and sand, which judges humans after death. When you start to acknowledge the work of the wind, water and sand here on earth, it will help you to stop evil actions against your fellow human beings, the body that brings the vision of the earth through the wind, water and sand, with the contribution of the brain and 5 fingers. The truth in your presence that you fail to acknowledge is the direction to approach your Creator that you fail to practice because you fail to know their purpose on the earth, without knowing that what monitors you from your mother's womb is the way to approach your Creator without anyone misleading you or controlling your life, whereby the owner of the universe gives every human being internal freedom from birth to witness his creation and use their brain and 5 fingers to bring out the beauty of the earth he placed in the wind, water and sand for the continuity of the earth. The truth you have received starts approaching your Creator, the owner of all humans, through his monitors, the wind, water and sand. You will definitely reach him. And with your understanding of the functions of the wind, water and sand in your entire body, it will help you to start respecting your fellow human beings so that after death you will have rest in peace. The religion you believe in can only help to bury your body, but they don't have any power over your place of dwelling after death. It's wind, water and sand that have your details. They are in a position to decide your place of dwelling after death. From Obi Nnukwu Chineke, aka Ikuku. This is Volume 8. Continue with Volume 9 in the next video.